Winter can be a challenge for train operations. Turnouts are heated to prevent them from freezing in cold weather. Traditional systems for point heating use enormous amounts of energy. BluePoint is an intelligent system that ensures reliable point heating and saves energy. BluePoint saves up to 80% energy compared to traditional systems. It reduces your carbon footprint and operating costs. Climate change means that winters are more unpredictable than before. BluePoint offers integration with local weather stations and national weather services. BluePoint responds to changing weather and heats only as much as necessary. It adapts to fluctuations from extreme cold, snow and ice to warmer winter days with sun or rain. BluePoint's fully automated SCADA software minimizes manual intervention and maximizes reliability. BluePoint is based on 50 years of experience and development. BluePoint is installed in Europe, the United States, Canada, and Japan. Our custom-made solutions cater to main lines, high-speed lines, metros, and more. With BluePoint, you get a safe, reliable, and energy-efficient solution that ensures uninterrupted train operation regardless of the weather. Contact us today to get help optimizing your de-icing and minimizing energy consumption.